Hello, in this video I will go over how to round numbers to the nearest tens place. Starting off, I have the number 16. The number that is in the tens place is 1. I will now look at the next number, which is 6, and I will ask myself, is 6 5 and above, or is 6 4 and below? I know that 6 is 5 and above, so that means I have to round up. I will come back to this 1 over here, and I will round it up, which means the 1 now becomes a 2. I simply add 1 to this number over here. Next, I will follow it with a 0. This means that 16 rounded to the nearest tens place is 20. Next, I have the number 36. 3 is in the tens place. I will then look at the next number, which is 6, and I will ask myself, is 6 5 and above, or is it 4 and below? 6 is 5 and above, which means I round up. I will come back to this 3 over here, and I will round it up, which means I add 1, which is 4. Then I follow it with a 0. 36 rounded to the nearest tens place is 40. Next, I have the number 42. 4 is in the tens place. I will then look at the next number, which is 2. 2 is under the 4 and below category, which means I come back to the 4 and I have to round it down. Rounding it down simply means you keep the number the same. The 4 will stay a 4. It will remain a 4. Next, I will follow it by a 0. 42 rounded to the nearest tenth place is 40. Next, I have the number 65. 6 is in the tens place. I will then look at the number next to it, which is 5. 5 falls under the 5 and above category, which means I have to round this 6 up. Rounding it up means it's a 7 now. Then I add a 0. Next, I have the number 79. I look at the 7, then I look at the number next to it. 9 is in the 5 and above category, which means this 7 rounds up to 8, and I add a 0. 79 rounded to the nearest tens place is 80. And lastly, I have the number 93. I look at the 9, which is in the tens place, and then I look at its neighbor, which is the 3. The 3 falls under the 4 and below category, which means I have to round down. Remember, rounding it down simply means I keep the number the same. So this 9 will remain a 9. Then I follow it with a 0. And my answer is 90. And this is how we round numbers to the nearest tens places.